Jagran Lake City University has a vision to be a leading university of distinction.
The teachers here have wide international experience.
We offer a unique advantage. This is basically an interdisciplinary approach. We try to combine the strengths of different academics.
The idea behind interdisciplinary studies is that students get to learn more apart from their courses.
We follow the system of credit-based grading, which is the globally accepted system.
The industry mentoring program of the Jagran Lake City University is a way of integrating education and industry. This program is especially designed to inspire, educate, and motivate students to get into the industry.
JLU has an industry-based curriculum designed for practical learning.
The focus is not only giving the theoretical knowledge to our students, but also practical-based curriculum is being designed.
Our career enhancement program provides personalized guidance and support to students by sketching out a unique career progression path for them.
An absolutely information-packed career website, networking events, skill-based workshop, one-to-one counseling sessions.
The university is signing a number of memorandum of understanding with organizations such as CIMA. They're also working on tie-ups with KPMG, which will give students the possibility of an assured placement once they graduate. On the more academic level, the university has signed MOUs with Lincoln University in the north of England and in the US with Carnegie Mellon, which I believe requires no introduction.
Our computer lab is updated with the latest software used in the day-to-day life.
We have a library which has reports, newspapers, books, magazines. We also have an electronic library which has research papers, manuals and reports.
We have created an outstanding learning environment for teaching and research.
The campus is fully integrated with Wi-Fi. We have the concept of smart classrooms supported with audio visuals for fun learning.
The campus is eco-friendly with a lot of greenery in it, which makes the place peaceful to live here and learn here.
We have in-house food court. The menu is specially designed for students. They could relish the food taste in the campus itself.
JLU Bhopal organizes major sporting events to help a student develop an interest in sports like football, basketball.
The gym at Jagran Lake City University provides all the equipment for the routine workouts along with the gym trainer.
We involve ourselves in fun activities like music, dance and drama.
I had this fear of being ragged by my seniors, but to my surprise, our seniors treated us wonderfully. This is because of the anti-ragging committee of the university that governs the prevention of ragging within the university campus.
The university was established with a vision to provide quality education at an affordable cost to people at large. And with this vision, the university is taking rapid strides ahead to establish itself as one of the premier universities of the state.
I can say that this is a university with a difference. It is one of the most unique places to learn.